If I'm not using my GoPro on my bike, I like to use it to shoot night lapse shots of the sky at night in my backyard. Now, it works pretty well, compared to some of my other action cameras, but all I have are action cameras, so that's what I have to use. Usually for night lapses, the camera has to be on for hours at a time. And this little GoPro battery right here doesn't fit the bill, and I'm not going to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning to change the battery. So what I do is I run a wire out of the camera to an extension cord that's attached to the side of the house. So, for example, here's a USB cord, here's the plug. Just like if you have a GoPro, then you kind of got to open up the side here and plug in the USB-C right just like this. And this is fine. But the problem is that the way GoPros design their door, you can't close it when it's plugged in like this. Now, when you're inside, it's no big deal. But when you're outside, you're introducing a possibility of water getting inside this camera. It might rain overnight or it might be damp in the morning. Who knows what? Now, luckily, many accessory companies have developed this concept of a pass-through door that allows you to keep this shut, but also plug in the USB-C cord into the side of the camera. And now here's one of them right here. You can kind of see that it looks like a door, but it's also got a little hole for the USB-C plug. So to replace it, you just take the default door that came with the camera. It's a GoPro Hero 10. You just kind of like pull it off, and there's this little bar that's extended that you attach this guy onto. And now you can close the door and plug your camera in at the same time. So now you can run this thing all night long, and you don't have to worry about any water getting in here. So that's a great thing. Just a little bit of extras with this thing is it has this little hook right here that you can use to stabilize the wire if you want. That's how I use it. So if it comes undone, it doesn't pull the camera off the mount. And what's also nice about this little hook right here is it also makes it a lot easier to open up this door here. Now, GoPro sells these things. Everybody does. There's a million companies on Amazon where you can buy this kind of accessory. This one is $12. The one that GoPro sells is $30. So, just like GoPro, everything's more expensive. But, when I compare this, the inside of this to the inside of the existing door, make sure I got the right side. Look, it's like basically exactly the same. It's got the same little foam thing here to kind of make it a nice tight fit. Same amount of screws, same everything. It's just that this one has a little hole for your USB-C port. And yeah, just like that, it makes it work and protects your camera. So it's a nice little gadget that I like. Maybe it'll be of use to you too. Thanks for watching.